Participants in the one-day intensive masterclass for professional speaking had this to say.
My biggest takeaway from Janine's professional speaker training has been so far to incorporate pause and to vary my tone. So to be more intentional about that in order to create that more interesting effect in my presentations.
My biggest takeaway today is to learn to breathe correctly, slow my speech down, and to add deliberate pauses during my talks.
My biggest takeaway from today is to slow down and to vary my pitch while talking. I am going to record myself to try that out.
My biggest takeaway today is to pause and also to vary my pitch when delivering a speech. I think understanding where I need to improve, particularly replacing all the ums and ahs by pausing, will give me more confidence when delivering my speeches.
So one of my biggest intake until now is to create pauses, different pauses between paragraphs, full stops and commas. That's something I was not aware of. And the second biggest outtake is the tonality, and to be able to change the tonality of my voice and to adapt it to my story and to my presentation.
My biggest takeaway is the 3 points: to be able to separate my speaking into 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, whatever it needs to be, and to slow it down.
My biggest takeaway from today is to think about my breathing, stop shallow breathing, think about pausing to take out filler words, and to finish strong.